Hello wizards. Hi, I'm back to explain you the chapter that is the fundamental unit of life. In my previous video, I have explained you about the chapter, that is what are the contents of the chapter, the fundamental unit of life. Today onwards, whatever topic I'll choose, I'll explain thoroughly so that you can get ample education and ample content from the topics. So students, today we shall start with the following topic. My video will contain the definition of the cell, the discovery of the cell, the shape of the cell. We'll talk about the availability of cell and the organisms which are formed on the presence of the number of cells. So hope you will like the video. Please keep a watch on the entire video. So students, as I have explained in my previous video, the definition of the cell will come from that only. A cell is a structure which carries the parts that are essential to perform function so that an organism, a living organism, can be formed. Cell is the smallest unit in which all the qualities are there so that it can live a life. That is, it can survive in any condition. So, by definition, we can say that cell is the smallest structure in our body or any other living organism's body which is able to create a life or to continue a life or a living condition. By definition from the NCERT, cell means a little room in its Latin words. So, as we all know that there are different types of cell found in our world. Who has discovered these cells? A question comes in our mind. Cell was first discovered or seen by a famous scientist called Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke was the person to discover cell in 1665 from the cork cells. Cork cells are found in the bark of the tree. They are generally dead. So Robert Hooke was able to see the dead cells first of all with the help of a simple microscope. Afterwards, another famous scientist, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, was the person to see living cell in his microscope. The microscope was the compound microscope one, and he was able to see clearly a living cell. By that time, we are able to see the cells in practical sense and we are able to study about the cell. The study of the cell is called cell biology and cytology. So it was of very important for us to be discovered. So on that moment, the cells were studied by different scientists and their structures were studied by students so that new inventions can be done. So students, this is all about the definition and discovery of the cell. Now a question comes in our mind that will explain the next topic, that is the shape of the cell. What is the shape of a cell? If we observe a onion peel, we see that hexagonal structures are seen under the microscope. This was explained in the previous video with the help of an experiment. But the fact is that living organisms' body are made up of different types of cells which are of different shape and size. A cell may be oval, circular, then hexagonal, then squamous, and many more. The shape of the cell depends on the function it performs. For example, let us take the diagram of a fat cell. A fat cell is a structure which stores fat molecules. So, to store fat molecules, ample amount of space is required by the cell to store it. So, the shape of the cell is little bit oval, and inside the cell fat molecules are stored in huge amount. Similarly, let us take the example of a nerve cell. Students, you are already aware of the structure of a nerve cell. In your previous classes, you have seen a nerve cell diagram in your textbook. A nerve cell is an elongated structure. It is tubular in shape and it elongates up to many meter. Diagrammatically, it is elongated in shape. The reason of its such structure is its function. A nerve cell conducts chemical stimuli, that means the informations or the stimuli are collected by the nerve cell and it reaches the brain with the help of these cells. And again, the brain interprets the message to our receptor organs and helps us to perform a function. So, the elongated type of cell, that is the nerve cell, are able to conduct these stimuli in the form of various ions, and thus they are elongated in nature so that they can carry the signals for many meters. These cells thus are of different shape and size. A neuron perform its functions the same way. There are different cells, as I can show you in different diagrams. A fat cell, again a nerve cell, the different types of reproductive cells, a bone cell, different types of blood cells. All these types of cells are of different shape and size. So, students, it is very much clear to you that the shape of the cell is found in different organism in different form so that they can perform their function in different ways. Now, where are these cells available or where are they found? Cells are found in the body of the living organism. It is clear to you. Cells are available wherever the living condition is possible. For example, if we take a forest is a place where different types of plants, animals, microorganisms are found. These organisms are ultimately made up of cells. So, this is a simple example. We can say that a cell is available in many conditions. It is available in many conditions as the earth is suitable to sustain life. Moreover, cells are found in other places also where the temperature, the climatic condition is not that much suitable. For example, few bacteria are there which can survive in very hot condition near the volcanoes. So the cells are available there also, but it is not the fact that all the organism will remain there. It is their adaptability to stay in that condition. Even organisms are found in polar regions where the climatic condition is very poor, as the temperature is very low, up to -50 or -60 degree. So in that condition also, organisms survive in lesser amount, but they can survive. So guys, I want to say that a cell, by adapting various qualities, can survive in different condition. Moreover, it can sustain in a climatic condition and can perform various function. So students, it is your difficulty. You will find that what this cell is performing, what are the work, what are the function it is performing, so that it can survive in the climatic condition, in different climatic condition. So if we study the structure of a cell, we are able to find out that the cell has different structures inside its body, which is able to do different function for it. So in my upcoming videos, I'll explain the structure of the cell. So students, please stay tuned. To get my upcoming videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. You can also ask me some questions or can clear your doubt by typing in the comment box. That's all for today. Thank you.